What are you doing? Why aren't you a member of the Goosh, our Patreon, yet? Come on over there. We'll be waiting for you. Okay, guys, we got something I'm really hyped for here today. Now, this was a recommendation. This reaction was a recommendation from some of our channel members, specifically Willie Plays, who is one of our channel members, the the size doesn't matter crew. That's what we call our channel membership area. But Willie suggested this, that I watched the trailer to Chainsaw Man, and we had been talking since the second trailer just came out, and Chrome and some of the other gang were telling me how good the second one is as well. So I figured we'll just watch them back to back. I'll watch the original one that came out a couple weeks ago and the second one. I didn't know anything about Chainsaw Man until actually I think it was Chrome who first mentioned it to me. And it's just amazing how it's caught on. I mean, obviously a newer anime and really has captured people's imaginations. I don't know much of anything about it, so this is going to be a lot of fun for me, diving into this with all the hype surrounding it and everything. So thanks to Willie for suggesting this one, and let's go watch both trailers and get some more anime to get hyped for. It's a story of a rat. Willard. Oh, I don't think that's tomato juice. I like those cuts. That's pretty cool. I like the animation style already. And turn up a hair. Well done, trailer. Really. Oh, well, hello there. Holy shit, the interface just spilled some blood. Oh my, what's going on there? Hello, bitey bitey. Well, there's a Chainsaw Man. I thought we were going to be dealing with a Leatherface here. Damn, that was cool. I mean, it didn't really give much away, but or tell you much, I should say. But hold on, okay, that's it. I like the way it was put together. I like the animation. The animation style was cool, and they put it together really well to to grab your attention. Come on, let's go right on to. This is the second one. This is the one that just came out. Let's see if there's more details here. First one was a good attention grabber. Yeah. I guess something called Chainsaw Man. I can't be surprised that there's a lot of blood. Oh, wait, do I have... Hold on. What the hell if I have my subtitles on, huh? Freaking dummy. 13 years ago. Oh, well, involving guns. Happens here. The gun devil appeared? Die by my hand as the devil or work for me as a human? I'll work for you. Yeah, I really like the way this is animated. Good look. Hate humans and I hate devils. Well, what the hell? No winning with you. Ah, that hurts. Ah, stuff jams through the hand like that. Ah. But he can turn into a devil. So do you doubly hate him or what? Oh my god. That's a good look right there. Fight time, battle time. Jeez. We're getting a little bit of a Parasite vibe just from all the looks of the things emanating from people. And Parasite's one of my favorites. Alright, that's some creepy shit right there. Yeah, Definitely captures the imagination, doesn't it? Looks like it'd be a cool story. Again, I can't express enough. I really like the animation style in it, but that's what I kept thinking. With the humans, with the extra whatever's going on there, it made me think of Parasite a little bit in the look. But that looks pretty good. Yeah, yeah. Again, it's called Chainsaw Man. I guess with that as the title, I don't get the right to go, oh, there's a lot of blood there. What the hell do you think he was going to do with this chainsaw? It wasn't going to be a story of Lumberjacks, Curtis.